I just want to talk about, why do you need an ERP? So generally, when I talk to small business owners, or maybe the mid-size kind of, so these people say that okay, we are able to manage our business with the current system that we are having. For example, they may be having some accounting software in place. They may be having other things on Excel or paper. So somehow, 2, 3 systems are in place and they are able to manage it. But at the end of the day, they are profitable. Since they are profitable and with some sort of, issues or some sort of the problem they may be facing, they are happy because at the end of the day, they are making profit. And this is the way they want to go. They are, generally reluctant to get into the ERP system because they think who will give the training, who will get into so much of tensions around it, so many things they have to manage. So they are so much reluctant to go for ERP. But the real problem is not about giving the training, giving the the cost or maybe other things. The real problem is that they are not really convinced that if they really need an ERP. See, in business or whatever, the wherever you are in life, things when you say that okay, I don't want to do this, maybe I'll do it later on, sometimes it's all about priorities. I believe that when you are convinced with something, then it generally becomes your first priority. So they give so many reasons that why they don't want to go basically for ERP. It's actually that they are not really convinced. Today, I want to talk about that why they should go for this kind of ERP and the thing that they are really missing. Okay, so the basic thing we all have heard, right? Like the success in any business comes from discipline or by the process. If you look at the bigger organizations, very big organizations, maybe 10,000 crore, 20,000 crore, or bigger than that, maybe 5,000 employees, 10,000 employees, like that. Do you think that without process they can, run their business? It's not possible, right? The process or the discipline is the first thing if you want to become really a successful entrepreneur. You want to take your business to new heights. That's where ERP come into picture. ERP is not about only the software that you are going to implement. ERP is basically software which makes sure that your business is running on a particular process. And once it is on a process, it's a surety that your business will grow. The only thing, yes, you have made a process and you're running on that. You may be not getting the exact result that you want in your business, but at the end of the day, you always have an option to optimize that process, make the things correct wherever it is wrong. But you have to go by a process. That is the only mantra for success. Okay, this is where ERP come into picture. ERP restrict everybody. ERP basically put everybody, every resource into your organization under a process. However, you can always refine the process as I just told, but ERP is required to make the process oriented business, which is a must thing if you want to grow. If you don't have ERP in place, it's for sure that not possible. It's not possible at all to be a business, or maybe a process oriented business. So in order to run your business efficiently, you must have a process in place. To have a good process in place, you must have an ERP. Okay, when I say an ERP, so it's basically an integrated software with all the modules or all the resources that you need.